Now, for whatever reason, some people are absolutely petrified of cats. And we all know the myth about the black cat. But what you might not know is that in the 15th century in Europe, cats were considered to be evil. So cat owners were persecuted, they were accused of witchcraft, and they were even burnt at the stake. Whew, yikes. Happily, that's not the case anymore, because some people just find their small paws, soft fur, and glossy eyes to be absolutely irresistible. Take a look. Pretty girl.
If she's a little energetic, you have cat people and you don't have cat people. There are people who just don't like cats. I have always loved cats, but they're very clean. Then you don't have to clean up after them. Extremely clean. They take care of themselves. They're pretty independent. So if you want a pet that doesn't take too much out of you, then a cat is pretty good, because you know she takes care of herself. She doesn't mess up the place, and because of being a pedigree cat, she also was very well trained when she was a kitten. So I mean, she just does certain things very, very well.
Pedigree or not, certain things are common to all cats.
She loves to chase the birds. Like, she'll go outside there and you'll just see her jump. And when she comes down with a bird. Because she's very tall, and when she jumps high. And she'll come down with a bird. I hate when she catches birds. Lizards, she's bored with them now, unfortunately, because we tend to have a lot here. So when she was young, she used to go after them a bit, and you'd find lizards either dead or you'd find them with their tails cut off. No, I think she's bored with them. She looks at them, and if she's a little energetic, she'll jump, but she doesn't bother. Rats, she will go and collect, and she'll bring it in to show you. She doesn't eat them. She doesn't kill the rats, and she doesn't eat them, but she will terrorize them to death until they are so frightened they'll die of fright.
Talistar might not be able to perform tricks, but she has a lot to boast about.
But she knows her name if I call her. She knows certain words like stop. I guess she recognizes how it sounds or something. She will know when I take out her, even no matter where she is, she will know when I take her out her food. She recognizes the sounds. So I guess there's some intelligence there, and I know that in fact say for example her father and her grandfather, they were show cats. They got a lot of prizes and stuff. Poor thing, she hasn't been trained that way, so she's not really into showcasing.
The Maine Coon breed of which Talistar is from is not a common breed in Jamaica.
I had to actually bring her in from London, because you know she's not a breed for Jamaica.
Unlike most other cats who could easily groom themselves, not so with this breed.
Well, you see, for her now, unfortunately, I tried to groom her a bit more this morning before you came, so she would look all smashing. But unfortunately, because of her hair, with cats like this, you almost have to comb their hair every day or brush them, because it gets tangled. I tell her job is to go out and pick up bush, because she will go outside, and when she comes back, she has tree branches and all kinds of things in her hair. So to get those out, you have to comb it. So it does take that care you have to do for a long-haired cat. For a short-haired cat, you don't really have to do that, because their hair, you know, doesn't fall all over the place. And with her, one of the problems too is something called fur balls. She will, in order to clean herself, she will pick off the hair with her mouth. So the hair gets down into her intestines and will form what they call fur balls, which will make her sick. She will throw up, you know, but they have things to stop that. And if you do groom her every day, then usually it's not a problem.
No need to worry about this cat stealing, or any cat for that matter.
Oh, a lot of people think cats are always thieves. A lot of people. They are not. If they're not hungry, they don't steal. But if they're hungry, they're going to steal.
We'll just have to take your word for it. But you might have to deal with a little jealousy.
You know, like for example, sometimes I have to go away, and I'll go away for say maybe 2 weeks. I'll leave her at the vet where she boards, and I'll come back and she doesn't speak to me for like at least 2 hours. She just doesn't say anything at all. And then, you know, later on she'll come and she'll start meowing and stuff. And they don't like, if I were to get another cat and pay that cat attention, she would get upset. They are possessive. They like their people as their people. Oh, pretty girl. You're not going to trouble, baby. Pretty girl.
Now, I'm sure by now you're over your fear of cats, right? Come on, they're harmless. Meow. Now remember, if you have any comments or questions for a vet, just go ahead, send us an email to petvibes@gmail.com and we'll try to answer as many questions as possible at the end of the show.